If you want to increase your auto lock time period on iPhone means you just need to open the settings app and scroll down a little bit. Open display and brightness. Scroll down. Then tap over auto lock. Here you can change the auto lock time period. In default it will be selected to 2 minutes. For me, I usually go with 5 minutes. You can choose any of this, or you can also choose never if you wish. While recording video like that stuff, you need to switch this to never. That will be more helpful. And if you turn on the power saving mode, you can't control that auto lock time period. Here you can see it selected to default 2 minutes and auto lock option was grayed out. If I turn off this, you can control this. Then here you can see this lock or unlock option. If this option was turned on, if you close your iPad, your screen will be automatically off. You can hear the sound, and if you open, it will be automatically on. If you turn off this option, the light never goes off. See, there is no sound. That's the thing. Yeah, if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.